Welcome to AppStarBrus. In this video, I will show you how to block spam calls, block unwanted calls, and block unknown number calls on Android. Basically, block any number that is not saved in your contact list. To do that, open the phone app. Tap the More Options icon, that is 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap Block Numbers. Toggle on the switch for block calls from unknown numbers. On some Samsung models, unknown refers to private or whitelisted numbers. If this does not block all unsaved numbers for you, use the Do Not Disturb method, which is 100% effective for this specific goal. To do that, go to Settings, Notifications, tap on Do Not Disturb, turn Do Not Disturb on. Tap Calls and Messages. Tap Calls and select Contacts Only. Now nobody can reach you via phone call except your contacts only. Do Not Disturb setting is also available in your phone's Quick Settings panel. Once you are available, turn this setting off. But usually block calls from unknown numbers setting should be enough to ensure your peace of mind. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.